Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today you join me on Athol Road, which is located right in between both Whitstable and Tankerton, so it really is the best of both worlds with this property. Now this is called Apple Blossom, and this is a beautifully finished 3-bedroom semi-detached family home, and as soon as we come straight through the front entrance door you can see just how wonderfully finished this property really is. We've got this incredibly impressive open plan lounge and dining space here with that really impressive bay of windows there at the front of the property. The lounge and dining space here is absolutely fantastic. As you can see, we do also have the wood burning stove there as well as a really nice focal point and a wonderful finishing touch to this open plan space. We've got the window there at the side as well, just letting in a little bit more natural light from that side, but those windows at the front are just absolutely fantastic. Now we do have this really interesting little internal hallway space here with the access out to the rear garden, and we've got the entrance to the cloakroom here as well, so a really convenient downstairs cloakroom here at this property as well. We do have plenty of storage under the stairs as well in the form of an understairs storage cupboard, and just coming through here into the rear of the property again we've got another really impressive open plan kitchen area. We've got a lovely set of bifolding doors leading us out onto the rear garden, and of course the kitchen comes with a full range of fitted appliances, and it is really finished well and to a modern standard as well. What we're going to do next is we're going to go upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms that we've got with this property, and then we'll take a look at the rear garden, the garage and the parking that we have here as well. So we're starting our tour of the upstairs here in bedroom number 1, and this is a fantastic space. You can see again that continuation of the bay windows there at the front of the property, plenty of space in here for a double bed and plenty of space for storage in the form of wardrobes, chest of drawers here as well. Now the front bedroom here, we do have the ensuite shower room, which again is really convenient and certainly expected in a modern home like this. What we'll do now is we'll go through to bedroom number 3, then on to the family bathroom and bedroom number 2. So here we are in bedroom number 3, a nice size single room, easily used as a single bedroom or perhaps as a really nice size study. The option is completely up to you. What we'll do now is we'll go through and take a look at the family bathroom, and then we'll go through and take a look at bedroom number 2. And now we come through to bedroom number 2, a really lovely sized double room with a wonderful aspect overlooking the rear garden there. So that's where we're going to go next, out into the rear garden, where we'll take a look at that space, the garage and the parking. So here we are in the rear garden, and as you can see it's a really nice, quiet and private space. We've of course got the gate there at the end of the garden, which allows us access onto the driveway, and of course the garage here as well, which is a fantastic added bonus to this property. Let's recap a few main points on this property whilst we're out here. Of course we've got 3 bedrooms with this semi-detached family home, plenty of parking here and the garage, and we've got a beautiful modern finish throughout the property as well. I really would ask that you give us a call at Kent Estate Agencies to find out a little bit more about this wonderful 3-bedroom semi-detached family home. And don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, give us a call today to book your free valuation.